SolidWorks certifications can feel like a maze. CSWA, CSWP, specialty exams, all the way up to CSWE. In this video, I'll break down the entire certification path and share my own journey. Which ones are worth your time, which ones actually matter for your career, and what I learned at each step along the way. The Certified SolidWorks Associate Exam, or CSWA, is the entry-level test. It's designed for students and early users who want to validate their skills. I actually skipped it back in the day and only completed it recently while preparing material for my course. Link in description below. That's why I see CSWA as a great early milestone, but not essential if you're already moving towards professional use. Think of it as proof that you've got the basics, sketching, features, assemblies, and drawings under control. Now, the Certified SolidWorks Professional Exam, or CSWP, is where things get serious. It's a broad test that covers everything from parametric modeling and assemblies to design changes on the fly. I remember a few questions where I didn't immediately know the answer, and I had to do some on-the-spot problem solving. Passing CSWP gave me something really valuable: confidence. It also gave me credibility at work and helped when applying for new roles. At this point, I could really say, I'm not just a user, I'm a professional SolidWorks designer. From there, the path splits into specialty exams. These cover sheet metal, weldments, surfacing, mold tools, and drawings. I took them all, though not all at the once. The first three, mold tools, sheet metal, and surfacing, directly supported my work at the time. Surfacing in particular was the toughest. Later, I came back for weldments and drawings, which rounded out my knowledge. These exams aren't just checkboxes. They force you to dive deep into specific tools that can transform your day-to-day design work. And then there's the Certified SolidWorks Expert Exam, or CSWE, the top of the ladder. I earned mine in 2013, and at the time, fewer than 1,000 people worldwide had it, and fewer than 80 in Australia. That alone made it feel special. The exam was most like the CSWP, but at a higher level, more advanced, more challenging, and less about memorization and more about problem solving. Passing on the first attempt was a thrill, and it pushed my credibility up again. From that point on, I really leaned into calling myself an expert and backing it up in my work. Looking back, each step had its impact. CSWA is fantastic for students and beginners. It gives you an early confidence boost. CSWP was a turning point for me. It wasn't just a badge, it gave me credibility in the workplace, helped me stand out in job applications, and changed how colleagues viewed my skills. And the CSWE took that one step further. Having expert attached to my name didn't just validate my ability, it changed the way I marketed myself as a designer. Employers, clients, and even peers recognized it instantly. If I had to rate them for real-world impact, CSWP and CSWE stand out the most. They shaped both my career opportunities and the confidence I had to take them. So whether you're just starting out or aiming for expert status, every certification can play a role. They're more than checkboxes. They're milestones that encourage you to dig deeper, refine your workflow, and grow as a designer. The path isn't just about passing exams. It's about the confidence, credibility, and opportunities you build along the way. And that leads to a bigger question. Do certifications always pay off in your career? Sometimes they open doors, but sometimes the value is less clear. If you've ever wondered when SolidWorks certifications truly boost your career, and when they don't, that's exactly what I'll be tackling in this video.